We have just seen the Bitcoin price do something it has never done in the past 12 years. This is a historic moment for Bitcoin, and we're going to be discussing exactly what we can expect for this price action in the next few days. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because we have been calling these major market pivots. Back in December, I told everybody things are looking very, very bullish. I opened up a $500,000 Bitcoin long trade, told everybody I was entering the trade. Then I let everybody know about the ETF was going to be bearish. Actually gave the setup live on YouTube, put my money where my mouth is, took that short setup. And then, of course, we told everybody if we reclaim that very key $40,700 level, we would look to long it back up to the top of the range. And this is how we are currently holding these juicy long trades right now, up over $65,000. This is absolutely insane. So guys, we are so close to 200,000 subscribers. You do not want to miss these updates. Make sure to like and subscribe. So let's get right into this analysis. Like I said, this is a historic moment for Bitcoin. This is the first time since the beginning of Bitcoin that we're potentially breaking a pattern that has happened every single market cycle. And what is that? Well, we can go all the way back here to the first Bitcoin market cycle and see that after the bull market and the bear market, we come back to retest the key Fibonacci level before the halving, and it gives us a 40 to 50% pullback. And then we enter into the halving. Now, this white line right here is the halving, and you can see after the pullback to the green line, the white line happens, boom, we enter into the next bull market. And then we see the same pattern happen right here in 2016, where after the bear market, we reject from the key Fibonacci golden pocket level. We reject to retest the green line, and then boom, into the massive bull market. We saw it happen again in 2019, where after the bear market, we come up, we reject from that Fibonacci golden pocket, retest the green line, and then the white line is the halving into the bull market. Well, we are currently right now just a little bit, a few weeks away from the Bitcoin halving. And if we go ahead and we pull our fib from the high to the low, you can see that we are right now breaking out above this key Fibonacci golden pocket level. This is the first time we have ever seen Bitcoin do something like this. It is very, very significant. Something else that is significant, as we look at these time frames right here, we can see that things are not really looking very bearish. When we take a look at market Cipher B on the monthly time frame, what are we seeing? There's plenty more room to the upside right here. The money flow is continuing to get higher. The VWAP is reluctant to come to the downside. We take a look at the weekly time frame. Money flow getting much, much thicker here with a green dot confirming this momentum wave looks like it has a lot of room to the upside. And as we go down to these lower time frames, like the 4-day time frame, same deal. Money flow getting much, much thicker, right? We saw this green dot print here a number of days ago now, almost 2 weeks ago, and we were saying this does not look very bearish, even though we were coming up to such key areas of resistance. And so we are seeing things that are looking bullish on these high-term time frames of the chart as we are flipping major, major resistances into support. So how do I plan to trade this Bitcoin price action? Well, obviously for the long trades that I am already in, I do not plan to close them yet. In fact, I've added to my long trades, not here, but I've added to them when we first hit $50,000. And I'm just going to now let these things ride. And by the way, guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins along with me, I'm currently trading right now on MEXC, the best deal on fees, 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees. Right now, insane profits over on MEXC. I am also trading on an exchange called ZOOMEX. ZOOMEX right now is a decentralized and a centralized platform in one. It does not require a VPN or KYC. And guys, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we gave the short setup from the exact pivot top, gave it live during the VIP live stream, also gave the long setup that we are currently in right now from the reclaim of $40,700. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com and click the link to join the VIP Discord, where you will find a complete beginner's course at jasoncaspertrading.com, where it will show you, if you are new to this, how you can survive in these markets and at the very least not lose money and start to be profitable over time. We have 3 instructors in here doing daily live streams multiple times a day, giving you their plans, giving you their trade setups, walking you through these markets. We also have a great wealth of information on the courses section, where we have multiple trading courses done by multiple instructors that can really give you an edge in these markets. This is the time, guys, to learn, because the next few years are going to be absolutely insane. So I'm holding my long trades, and am I looking to short Bitcoin? I am going to be keeping this as simple as possible. I'm just going to take a look at all the volume that's traded in this massive sideways range right here. And to be honest with you guys, for me right now, as long as we are holding above this key level of $47,300, which is the level I gave in my last video that we need to hold above for higher prices, I still expect higher prices to come for Bitcoin right now, because when we take a look at all of this volume that has traded here, this is establishing for us the fair price of Bitcoin going all the way back to the beginning of 2020. And once you lose a fair value zone, as we did down here, and then you come back inside of that fair value zone, it's more probable than not we make our way to the middle of that fair value zone where we look for our first resistance. And of course, this is where we found first resistance, which is why in the Casper crew, we took that short trade right from there, because that was one of the confluences at that key level for us to actually give this short trade in advance. And then the next level, if we can reclaim that high volume node, is going to be the value area high of the range. That's coming in at around $55,900. That is my next major target for Bitcoin. And if that is reclaimed, we are absolutely going to see a new all-time high, which will be a historic event for Bitcoin. The very fact that we are breaking out of this golden pocket before the halving is showing strength that we have not seen before. Now, before we get overly bullish, we need to recognize the possibility of a fake out, which is one of the trades that I'm always looking for, right? We need to be looking for a fake out. We need to let the charts dictate the way we trade. Okay, we cannot be stuck in a bias so much that we miss out on opportunities because we refuse to see what the charts are saying, right? So if we do see that the Bitcoin price actually does do something like this, then we need to be prepared for a bigger move to the downside upon a bearish backtest. But until we see Bitcoin lose key support and backtest bearishly, all things right now on the chart are telling me that Bitcoin is going to see higher prices very, very soon. So guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. May God bless everybody. In the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah, even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super, super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.